simplifying rational expression, right? So we're looking at the key thing here, right? When algebra, it's actually fractions. So you can see here, you got all sorts of fractions here, and that's what we're going to look to simplify. So if we look at the first question here, you got 2x plus 4x, 2x squared plus 4x. So basically we need to factorize basically what is common in both 2x squared and 4x. So 2 and x. So 2x goes outside the bracket. What goes inside the bracket is 2. Okay, so it's 2x and then inside the bracket x plus 2. And you can do the reverse. So let's just look at this here now. Right, you got x squared minus 4. Both are squares, so basically it's a minus. So this is known as the difference of 2 squares. So you got x plus 2 in one bracket, x minus 2 in one bracket. So you got x plus 2 in one bracket, x minus 2 in one bracket. So simplifying by canceling, right? So like with like, so you got x plus 2, x plus 2, so you're left with 2x over x minus 2. Next here, again, looking at what's common, 3 for the top. So 3 goes outside the bracket. We got x plus 1 goes inside the bracket. Then at the bottom here, what's common? So you got x plus 1, x plus 2. So you got basically we need two numbers when we times together to give us 2. So you got 1 and 2, and when we add them together, right, you get 3. So 1 and 2 here. So you got x plus 1, x plus 2. Then canceling, so you're left with your answer, you're left with 3 over x plus 2. Next here, right, so we basically need two numbers. When we times together, it need to give us minus 3. So if you look at 3 is a prime number. So the only factor we can focus on here is 1 and 3. So we need to get 2x squared. So in one bracket, I'm going to have 2x minus 2x plus 1. And then next bracket, I'm going to have x minus 3. Right, I'm going to check if this makes sense and if that's correct. Right, so 2x times x give us 2x squared. 2x times minus 3 give us minus 6. 1 times x give me the plus x, so that worked for the middle term. And plus 1 times minus 3 gives me minus 3. So at the bottom here, right, we got x to the power of 3, x to the power of 4. So basically x to the power of 3 can go into x to the power of 4. You got 2 and 6, so outside the bracket you got 2 x to the power of 3 outside the bracket. So inside the bracket we're gonna have 3 you now 3 And then what else is common? Minus x. So what we actually need to do here is we got like terms here, but we need to change everything into a minus. So if we divide here, what's gonna happen is we're gonna have cancel, but it needs to be switched with the minus. So what we're gonna have here, you're gonna have 2x plus 1 over minus 2x cubed. So multiplying by minus to switch the signs. Here again, so 3 is common, 3 go outside the bracket, inside the bracket it's going to be 3 minus x. 2x is common, so inside the bracket you got x minus 3. So we got minus, answer equals to minus 3 over 2x. Right, this gives me the difference of 2 squares. Right, so we got x plus 1, x minus 1. So that goes in the bracket below. So x plus 1, x minus 1. So at the top here, we're looking for two numbers that times together to give me 2. And then when I add them, it gives me plus 3. So it's going to be x plus 2, x plus 1. So we can cancel here. So we're left with x plus 2 over x minus 1. Right, leave this question, pause the video, have a go. Now also, these are some more questions for you to have a go at and see how you get on. Right, so have a go at these questions here. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have a go at these 6 questions here, right, to give you further practice. And remember, this is from the basic, right, factorizing. So basically, find out what is common and the clue always there. So if we go back to this question here, so the difference of 2 square is x plus 2, x minus 2 at the bottom. So what I look at there is clues here. So one of the solutions here would take either x plus 2 or x minus 2. So if we look at the top here, okay, it's an x square, so we got x, we got x. You can actually close the brackets. So now, right, we need two numbers. When we times together, right, we get minus 2, and when we add together we get plus 1. So it's going to be a plus 2 minus 1. So collecting or cancelling similar terms, x plus 2 plus x plus 2 so your answer is going to be x minus 1 over x minus 2. Okay, so you have enough there to practice.